Another important topic which is actually follicular keratosis. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So it is also known as Dary's disease. Dary's disease or dyskeratosis follicularis or Dary's white disease. Okay, it is very uncommon first of all, and it is dermatosis, major skin involvement, and minor oral lesions. Autosomal dominant trait. It is basically okay. Okay, lack of cohesion among the surface epithelial cells. Number one, lack of cohesion, mutation in the genes, and those genes which was actually for the intracellular calcium pump, that codes for the intracellular calcium pump. Then mutation, due to mutation there is actually abnormal dysmosomal organization in infected epithelial cells. So we say there is a lack of cohesion. How the lack of cohesion is actually the genes that code for them, they became their mutation has occurred, so the dysmosomal organization becomes abnormal, so it affects the epithelial cells. Okay, skin, there is erythematous pruritic papules. Basically it is this on the skin of the trunk and scalp, first and second decade. Okay, accumulation of keratin basically results in a rough surface in the association with the lesion. So basically accumulation of keratin. Number one important point is foul odor, foul smell, means bad smell develops due to bacterial degradation of keratin, and palmoplantar keratosis. Another important point. Okay, the condition become worse in summer, and due to sensitivity of the patient to the UV light, so there is an increased sweating due to heat basically, so that results in more epithelial clefting. Another important point, epithelial clefting is happening in this. Nails are longitudinal lines and ridges or painful slits, again a very important point. Okay, then oral is asymptomatic, multiple normal colored white flat topped papules, means the papules are in the oral cavity. Okay, numerous okay, if numerous, so they become confluent and results in cobblestone mucosal appearance. Number okay, so it is also present in the Crohn disease. Okay, this cobblestone appearance, it is also present here, and it is also present in that disease. Primary heart, palate, and alveolar mucosa involved, although the buccal mucosa and tongue may be also, means mainly is heart, palate, and alveolar mucosa. Okay, recurrent obstructed parotid swelling due to abnormalities. Another important that there is a recurrent swelling of parotid gland. Okay, very important point again. Okay, so you can see the papules or erythematous. Mucosal alternation on the hard palate represents by the presence of multiple colons papules with the rogue texture. Okay, and these are on the skin. Okay, then basically disc rotative processes, which is characterized by the central keratin plug. The central keratin plug oalizes in the epithelium, showing basal cleft, where that is actually narrow elongated or test tube shaped retirages, means there is a test tube retirages. Okay, then two types of dyskeratotic cells are found, that is corpse rounds or round bodies, or grains, because they resemble to cereal grains. Okay, now treatment depend on severity. Photosensitive parents should be use sunscreens, minimize exposure to sun, use keratolytic agents or ambulants, or in severe cases do systematic retinoids. Okay, now basically, so a quick review through the topic is that it is also known as the Dary's disease. Okay, so there's also mutation in the gene of the that codes for the calcium pump. Okay, the second, the mutation in the gene they actually encode for the dysmosomal organization. It is also affected, due to which there is a loss of cohesion among the epithelial cells. Okay, then on the skin there is an erythema and papules, and the rough surface due to the keratin deposition. Okay, a foul smell due to when the bacteria degrade the keratin. Okay, there is also palmoplantar keratosis is also present, and there is also epithelium clefting is also present, which is a very characteristic feature of this. Okay, then we have also a recurrent parodontist swelling in the mouth. Okay, then there is also a gobblestone appearance in the oral cavity, and mostly it affects the hard palate and alveolar mucosa. Okay, the papules are also present in the mouth. Okay.